Hi learners, welcome back to Wellness. As always, I'm going to give you a brief overview of what we have on Google Classroom this week. The first thing we will do on Monday is take a look at our new learning targets about self-awareness. The learning targets are: analyze how one's behavior affects the emotions of others. So how does your behavior affect other people? Summarize another person's point of view, so be able to see someone else's point of view. And analyze how people of different groups can help one another and show appreciation for one another. So even if we are in different groups, that could be socially, that could be racially, that could be where we live or socioeconomically. Even if we're in different groups, we want to start seeing how we can help one another and show appreciation for our differences and for our similarities. Then on Monday, so today, you're also going to click this video and watch it to get a little bit more of an introduction on social awareness. In addition, on Monday, you will begin some slides. So every day this week, we're going to do a Google Slides, and you will be able to actually edit the slides as if it were a worksheet. Okay, so the first one is about flexible thinking. This is kind of like that idea of taking someone else's perspective and also identifying your own thinking too. So there are 4 slides to complete on Monday. When you are done, you can go back and hit the turn in button. Just like on Monday, on Tuesday, we're going to do some more slides. These are about perspective. So again, thinking about other people's perspectives and being able to kind of see their point of view. Okay, so you might have done these in the past if you were in wellness previously, like last year, but it's always good to refresh our memories and do these things again. One of my favorite ones is this one. It's the optical illusions, so you get to write down what you see. If you have any questions on any of these worksheets, please sign up to Zoom with me and I can cover what the expectations are and clarify for you. Again, when you're done, you can hit the turn in button. Wednesday is the final day of slides. So this one's about compromise. A compromise is a solution that works for both people or both groups. Okay, so compromise right here. You're going to have a few slides here where you get to think of compromises that might work for the people. Okay, and then you can turn that one in. Thursday and Friday are different. We're going to give you a break from the slides, and you are going to work on empathy. So what you need to do is click through this slideshow. Within the slideshow is a shoe that you get to decorate, and then you're going to hit the turn in button. So empathy is about putting ourselves in someone else's shoes. That means understanding someone else's experience. So you will click through the slideshow. We have definitions and a video, a quote, something to reflect on, and here are the directions for the shoe project. It's called Walk a Mile in My Shoes. You have 2 options, digital or paper copy. I'll have you read those for more information. Here is the shoe that you get to decorate. All you need to do is add a text box to put some information on it, and then you could also like insert an image or add some color. Be creative. And then finally, here is my example. These are actually true things about me. So mine's actually a hiking boot, or it looks kind of like a boot because I like to hike, which is included on, which one? One of these. Oh, right here. Hiking, camping, and yoga. Okay, so that is all you have for the week. When you're done with your shoe, you can hit turn in on this assignment. So everything is actually on Google Slides this week. You'll want to have the Google Slides app from self-service. That'll help you out a lot. You want to edit this stuff in Google. Don't be editing it like with the little text box or the little pencil. I want you to take it into Google to edit it. That's all I have for you. Have a great week, learners.